Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Kitchens are no longer just spaces for cooking, they've transformed into vibrant, multifunctional areas that reflect both style and functionality. As we look ahead to 2025, the modern kitchen continues to evolve, bringing together cutting-edge technology, sustainable materials, and design innovations that create spaces as beautiful as they are practical. In today's video, we'll explore the best modern kitchen design ideas for 2025. From open concept layouts to smart appliances and stunning materials, these trends are all about making your kitchen not only a place for cooking but a space for living, entertaining, and enjoying every moment. Whether you're remodeling or just dreaming about your perfect kitchen, these trends will inspire your next design. Let's dive into what the future holds for modern kitchens. Open concept kitchens are still going strong in 2025, and it's easy to see why. These layouts blur the lines between cooking, dining, and living areas, creating a spacious, airy feel that encourages interaction and a flow between spaces. With fewer walls and barriers, family members and guests can gather together, whether you're preparing a meal or enjoying a cup of coffee. The key here is flexibility. An open concept kitchen allows the space to evolve based on your needs. It can serve as a gathering place, a functional workspace, or even a place to unwind. To make the most of this design, many homeowners are incorporating multifunctional islands that serve as both preparation areas and informal dining spots. This layout doesn't just create more space, it enhances the way we use our kitchens every day. In 2025, sustainability is at the forefront of kitchen design, with homeowners increasingly opting for eco-friendly materials that don't compromise on style. From bamboo cabinetry to countertops made from recycled glass, there's a growing shift toward materials that are both sustainable and stunning. These choices not only help reduce environmental impact, but also bring a natural, earthy charm to the space. For instance, bamboo is gaining popularity for its fast-growing nature and durability, making it a great alternative to traditional hardwoods. Reclaimed wood also finds its place in modern kitchens, offering a unique, rustic look while keeping environmental concerns in mind. When it comes to countertops, materials like recycled quartz or composite stone offer a sleek, high-end look with a lower environmental footprint. Pair these materials with matte finishes or soft, neutral tones to maintain a warm, inviting atmosphere while staying true to eco-friendly principles. Sustainable materials are not just a passing trend, they're the foundation of the modern, responsible kitchen. Technology is transforming the kitchen into a smarter, more efficient space, and 2025 is all about integrating innovative features that make everyday tasks easier. From refrigerators that can create grocery lists to voice-activated ovens, smart kitchens are designed to offer convenience and energy efficiency without compromising style. For example, smart refrigerators now come with touch screens that let you check your groceries, suggest recipes, and even order items directly. Voice-controlled appliances allow you to multitask while cooking, whether you're adjusting the oven temperature or turning on the coffee maker. Another standout trend is smart faucets that automatically adjust water flow and temperature, helping conserve water and energy. In addition to improving functionality, these smart features help streamline kitchen tasks, making cooking and cleaning more efficient. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, the smart kitchen is becoming an essential part of the modern home. In 2025, bold colors are taking over modern kitchens. Deep shades like navy blue, forest green, and terracotta are replacing traditional neutrals, creating striking focal points in the space. These colors are being used in cabinetry, backsplashes, and accent walls to add personality and style. When paired with neutral elements, such as light countertops, these bold tones stand out without overpowering the room. Metallic finishes like gold and brass are also making a comeback, adding a touch of luxury and warmth. Whether it's a daring backsplash or bold cabinetry, these colors create a vibrant, modern atmosphere that feels both fresh and inviting. In 2025, storage solutions in kitchens are all about keeping things organized, hidden, and clutter-free. The focus is on seamless designs that prioritize function without compromising on aesthetics. Handleless cabinets and drawers create sleek, uninterrupted surfaces, contributing to a minimalist, modern look. Hidden pantries and pull-out shelves offer extra storage space while keeping everyday essentials out of sight. To maximize efficiency, many kitchens are incorporating built-in organizers for utensils, spices, and even appliances, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through cluttered cabinets. Floor-to-ceiling cabinets are also gaining popularity, offering more vertical storage space to store everything from cookware to pantry items. These clever, concealed solutions not only enhance the kitchen's appearance but also keep it organized, ensuring everything has its place. Lighting is a key element in 2025 kitchen designs, with bold, statement fixtures becoming a central focus. Pendant lights, oversized chandeliers, and sculptural fixtures are being used to add both style and function to the kitchen. These pieces do more than just illuminate, they enhance the design and create a striking visual impact. Under-cabinet lighting is another popular choice, providing both task lighting for prep areas and a soft, ambient glow that sets the mood. Layering different types of lighting, such as ambient, task, and accent lighting, allows for flexibility in creating the perfect atmosphere. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, or relaxing, the right lighting transforms the kitchen into a space that's both functional and inviting. Natural stone countertops are a timeless feature in modern kitchens, and in 2025, they continue to be a top choice. Materials like marble, quartzite, and granite not only offer durability but also bring a touch of luxury and sophistication to the space. Their unique veining and patterns make each piece one of a kind, adding character and elegance to your kitchen. Marble remains a classic, with its stunning, dramatic veins creating a bold statement. Quartzite, known for its strength and heat resistance, is another popular option, offering the look of marble with added durability. Granite countertops, with their rich textures and variety of colors, also provide a sleek, modern finish. Waterfall edges, where the countertop seamlessly flows over the side, are a design feature gaining popularity in 2025, adding a modern, high-end feel to any kitchen. In 2025, the kitchen island has evolved into a multifunctional hub that serves more purposes than ever before. These versatile pieces are no longer just for food prep. They're now designed to be a central point for cooking, socializing, dining, and even working. The trend for larger, extended islands is on the rise, offering extra counter space for meal preparation, as well as room for seating. Some islands feature built-in appliances, such as sinks, stovetops, or wine coolers, making them even more functional. Others have storage solutions integrated into their design, offering hidden compartments for utensils, cookware, or even charging stations for electronics. With their blend of practicality and style, multifunctional islands are essential for maximizing both space and efficiency in the modern kitchen. In 2025, natural light is a key design element in modern kitchens, and it's all about maximizing the flow of sunlight into the space. Large windows, glass doors, and even skylights are being incorporated to brighten the kitchen, creating an open, airy atmosphere that feels connected to the outside world. Bringing the outdoors in is more than just about light, it's also about the view. Whether it's overlooking a garden, a city skyline, or a scenic landscape, a beautiful view can transform the kitchen into a relaxing retreat. Natural light not only improves the mood of the space, but also helps to highlight the kitchen's design features, such as natural stone countertops or vibrant cabinetry. The emphasis on large, unimpeded windows ensures that kitchens are bathed in sunlight, enhancing both their functionality and aesthetic appeal. As we look to 2025, it's clear that the modern kitchen is evolving into a space where design, technology, and functionality seamlessly come together. From open concept layouts to smart appliances, bold colors, and sustainable materials, these trends are shaping the kitchens of tomorrow. Whether you're remodeling your kitchen or planning a future build, these innovative ideas can help you create a space that's not only stylish but also highly functional and sustainable. Embracing these design trends will ensure that your kitchen remains both timeless and ahead of the curve. If you found these trends inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas from HD Interiors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.